these are the ingredients that I'm using to make this keto-friendly fried chicken tenders. Excuse the phone for vibrating. Someone is calling me, but carry on. These pork rinds are 0 grams total carbohydrates per serving. So that means no carbs, which is exactly what we're looking for. This is a low carb, keto is low carb diet. So that's exactly what you want. So what I did, I crunched up the chicharrones, or fried pork skins, crunched them up, and I added Parmesan cheese because the Parmesan cheese gives us fat that we want. And no carbs. So that's another good thing. I use pure sunflower oil. As you see, it's gluten-free, 0 cholesterol, 0 trans fat, best for frying, baking, and salads. But the main thing is no carbs. So what you're going to fry your chicken in has no carbs. So I will be back with the coating process to show you how to do that. Okay, so after pre-coating your chicken with the egg mixture, which is just a scrambled egg, you just place it in here and roll it around. You want to coat it nice and good. With the mix. And this is just to show you one. I'll be back when we're putting it in the grease. And they're just frying in the sunflower oil that I showed you at the beginning of the video. Alright guys, and this is the finished product. And I'm going to eat it with a cup of ranch, which is 2 grams net carbs. So I'm still under my 19 grams of carbs. So, but the chicken is none. So look how golden that looks and good.